Do you want a really tasty and delicious side dish? Here it is, artichokes and potatoes, a delicious side dish that everyone in the family will agree on. And what can I say? Here it is. Thank you all, and please make sure to watch the video. The first thing to do is to peel and dice the potatoes and clean and quarter the artichokes. Before cutting the artichokes, let's acidify the water with some lemon juice and maybe even soak the lemon in it as well, like this. Thank you all. Let's remove the tougher leaves and get to the heart of the artichoke. Let's clean the stem. Let's cut off the tip. Let's remove any little beard that might be there. And we cut it in half. The main part is done. Now all that's left is to blanch both the potatoes and the artichokes in boiling water for 3 to 4 minutes. Time's up and we drain the potatoes. And now, in the same water, we blanch the artichokes. Here we go, the artichokes are ready too. They're still nice and firm, and now let's season them really well. Now let's add the potatoes to the artichokes. Let's season with a bit of oil, a bit of salt, and a bit of pepper. Let's add some Parmigiano cheese. And a bit of breadcrumbs. And we mix everything together. How profound. And now, on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, we spray a little oil. And we add some slices of onion. You might ask, why do you put them underneath? This is to keep them from burning while cooking, so if they're underneath, they'll cook and release a delicious aroma. And we pour our potatoes and artichokes on top. We arrange them nicely without overlapping the potatoes with the artichokes, so this way they'll cook perfectly. And you might ask me, but why did you blanch them first? Because this way they'll stay softer while cooking, especially the artichokes, which are a bit tougher compared to the potatoes. And so we do this step because it's essential. We finish with another handful of breadcrumbs. Parmesan cheese. And with another drizzle of oil. And now straight into the oven. And here they are. Artichokes and potatoes are ready. I baked them at 190 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Convection oven. If you have a conventional oven, increase the temperature a bit. And as I always say, everyone knows their own oven. And with that said, all that's left is to let them cool down a bit and then taste them. Do you know what I do? I taste them straight from the baking tray because they are truly amazing. Oh my, they're so good. The potatoes. Friends, what can I say? They're truly amazing. I recommend you try them. That said, all that's left is for me to send a kiss to everyone and wish you all a good day. Thank you.